Projects are a way to interact with Claude that help us to put all the inputs and outputs in the same folder. It helps us with the organization. We put the description. We are going to use a folder that we already defined just for this tutorial. We're going to allow is going to have visibility local. So that means that Claude is going to have access to our local folder. This project already has as a seed 3 different documents about explaining how to name a cat, a dog, and a horse. We're going to create slides, and I have prepared prompt to create these slides with this command. We are already in the project that is going to be project tutorial projects. We're going to use cowork because it's a relatively complex thing. Now we have the slides that we were looking for. A way to use information that we already have in that folder, and we also can visualize this in any browser. And now the slides are in the same folder where our other documents were. Let's say we want to return back to that project again after 1 year. So we to go to the projects, we select the project that we want, and we still can continue working on the same project. I'm going to just give you an example. Give me an executive's summary of each of the 3 Word documents in that folder. We can just go back after 1 year. All the information is going to be there, ready for our questions.